Hello, this is Lily from your smart store. Now I'll show you how to operate the watch. First, we need to charge the watch at first. And then press these two keys at the same time. For this button, we need to choose the operating mode 6. Press this menu key to the next function. Operating mode, we choose 6. Press enter key. Choose 6 and then enter. Press the enter key. Now we can register the button now. The first function, press the enter key and then choose the number you want to register. For example, 10. And if you want to enter to the next number, you can press the enter key and then press the menu key to choose the number. Okay, now we can press the button. It's okay now. The button has access to the watch. Now we press these two keys to return back. And now we can text. Cancel. Okay. So if you still have the other question, just feel free to contact me anytime.